Microphone good? Okay. I am Ahmed Alaraji, CEO of Forex broker. Today our lecture is not only about Forex lecture, that ordinary Forex lecture, strategy and what's like. At the first and at the beginning, we will start how I can start in the Forex business. After that, we go to how can I success in trading, so I can building my own company. So at the first, about me, some information. I am Ahmed Alaraji. I am from Iraq in origin. My country origin is Iraq, but I am living now in Dubai because it's more stable. And also I am 28 years ago, and I am married and I have one child. Owner of Forex Brokers Ltd. Forex, I consider it my other baby. I started from zero. So I very care with the Forex. I interested so much in Forex. I start at the first from 2060 at Forex trader. I am trading and clearing Forex in 2060. So is just the starting. After the starting, I am going to 2020 is AZFX Clearing Center. This is the biggest clearing center in Iraq. I study more than 1,000 traders. Now is very big trader in Iraq. After that, in 22, I create my one company, Forex Broker Company. So in this lecture, I will show you how can I start from only the traders to the one-off company. So how can I success in trading, and after that I can building my own company. So what's the secret? The secret is only after that we show the secret. Now we need to how can I make all these things? I made these things in this picture. I am only running, not to stop. In every situation, in everything, in every difficult side, I am only running. So not to stop it ever. When we faced some difficult situation, you will stop. I am losing. No running. No go forward. So. Okay, what's the secret of trading? There is no secret in the trading. All of masters, all of lecture that tell you that this is secret of trading. You gain more profit, you gain a lot of millions, but there is no secret of trading. The trading is very easy and is depend on the principle of trading. You should learn the basic of trading, so there is no secret. Anyone that tell you there is secret for trading is lie for you, because there is no secret. The basic is the secret. When you learn the basic is the secret. So what's the basic of trading? The basic is 80% is fundamental analysis, and 20% only is technical analysis. So all the traders go with technical analysis. All the traders go with strategy of technical analysis, and is complex. But the fundamental analysis is very important, and the basic and the backbone of trading. When you learn the fundamental analysis, so you can guarantee the general trend of market. So the secret of trading is the basic knowledge of Forex, and the basic knowledge of Forex and all the traders that go with technical analysis is wrong. So at the first you should learn the fundamental analysis, and after that you should learn the technical analysis that help you only in enter the trades or orders. So in this next slide, we show some basic or fundamental analysis that will benefit you in trading Forex. So fundamental analysis, we will focus on USD or American economy, because the American or US economy is about 70% of world economy. So at the first, we have inflation rate. Inflation rate, the economic of America is focused on inflation rate. When every economic country that have some indicator, you should focus on it. On US, they focus, the total focus on inflation rate. So the inflation rate affected on interest rate. So you should know the relationship between the inflation rate and interest rate. So now we will know what's the effect on the inflation rate. Because inflation rate, because I know it, how it is effect on interest rate, I need to know how can it affect, what's the indicators that affect on inflation rate. So the first indicators is income of the people in the US market, and the income. And the second is payroll. Payroll is like the salary of people, salary of employers in US. Okay. And the third one is employment. Employment is also effect on the inflation rate. And the fourth one is GBD. GBD also affected. So these four indicators all affected the inflation rate. But what's the relationship between us? Okay, all affect on inflation rate. The relationship. Yeah. If income increase and payroll if increase, so when see in the economic calendars the income and the payroll increase, that means inflation rate will increase. And if you see unemployment and GBD is decrease, that means inflation rate will decrease. Now we will know if the inflation, okay, we will back step. Now we know inflation rate, how it will increase or decrease. It depends on these four indicators. These four indicators is very important. Is the principal or primary indicators that affect on inflation rate. So the inflation rate, now I can expect the inflation rate. Economic calendars, NFB is the first Friday in every month. I can see these three news every Friday, first month. So after that, I can GDP. So I can expect what's the next inflation rate. If I expect what's the inflation rate, I can know all movement in the market. So now what's the relationship between inflation rate and interest rate? This is very important. The next slide will show us what's the inflation between inflation rate and interest rate. So, for example, the inflation rate is about 3.7%, and interest rate now value this now 5.5%. They have a proportional effect. What's that meaning? That meaning when the increase in inflation rate, I will get an increase in interest rate. What's that meaning? That's meaning where is the interest rate high, all people will take photo and go to bank to put his money in the bank. So that means the US market, USD especially, is highly buying from all visitor. The client transfer his invest from the stock to dollar, index dollar. So when see the high interest rate, you can expect the dollars is strong or weak. So it's very easy to see what's the next interest rate from? See inflation rate. When you see the inflation rate increase, month after month is an increase, so is totally the increase in the interest rate. So you can easily, okay, we continue. So after the result of inflation rate show before the news of interest, you can expect the interest. So the US 30 and US 100 and Euro USD. What's happened if the inflation rate is go up? So we expect the interest would go up. So we expect for these three instruments will decrease or go down. So the general trend for this instrument will go down because the investor go with the buying of US. So this is the basic of trading. This is very important for every trader to know what's the economic state of every country. And in the Forex market, the economic is about US market. US market because it's 70% of all economy of the world. So now in this chart, we will show to you how we can benefit from fundamental analysis. We see in this period, the first period, the first period, this chart for Euro USD daily frame, Euro period 1, this is for Euro dollar. This period 1 will from May 22 to September 22. So in this period, we will see the inflation rate decrease it from 3.5% to 8.6%. We will see when increasing inflation rate, so that means the increase in interest rate. So in this L period, when increasing inflation rate, the euro dollars will go down. And after that, in the second period, we see in the second period from September 22 to July 23, we will see the euro dollar go up. Why the euro dollar go up? Because the inflation rate decreased from 8.6% to 3%. Now, in the period 3, and this is the current situation, the inflation rate go up from 3 to 3.7. What's the next? The next is an increase in inflation rate because we have 2 months increase in the inflation rate. So the next month and the after month will increase and will reach about 5 to 6%. Why? Because the principal indicator the fourth indicator, payroll and income increase it. So when these two increase it, the inflation rate will increase. So what's expected to the interest rate? The incoming interest rate, I think, is high. They increase the interest rate because the inflation rate cannot control on inflation rate. All Jerome Powell speak, all strategy that is take, but the inflation rate will increase. So in this period, we expected the go down, euro dollar go down. Also the US 30 and US 100, but this is an example. So the fundamental analysis is the basic of trading in the market. So how can I benefit from fundamental analysis? I can benefit from fundamental analysis to detect the general trend. General trends, so you can see from this to this is about inflation rate. So I can detect the general trend. After that, I can use every strategy in technical analysis. Everyone, support resistance, volume profiles, SMC, smart money concept, harmonic, anyone you can use it here, it will work and it will success. Why? Because you general trend, you know the general trend from fundamental analysis. So, okay. To advise in user trading. Also, if you have the fundamental basic and also if you have everything about the economic, I have to advise in the user trading. The one, do not trade the immediate impact of news. So when the news is coming, no trading. After the result is shown and the market is down, slow down, I can enter. You can analyze the result, and after that you can enter for long period. Not I benefit from the current movement fastly, and I buy, sell. You will lose because fundamental analysis and the news analysis is depend on long term, not on short term. The second advice, fundamental analysis for swing trading. So when you make the good analysis for economic, for the indicator, inflation, interest rate, and payroll income, this is all is swing trading, not is only for 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. This is for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and 1 year. So this is two advice should be keep in your mind because it's very important. All people, all trader, when see the fast movement, when they see the fast movement of news, he will enter, sell, buy, but is wrong. And fundamental analysis and the movement in the news is depend on the swing trading. Okay. So profit traders start from, how can I get the profit order? How can I profit in this order? And I can guarantee 90% this order will be profit. First, fundamental analysis. First, when I see the chart, I know make trend, support, resistance. No, I go to fundamental analysis. I see the result of fundamental analysis. All news, all inflation rate. I put the basic of result, and after that, I detect what the trend of fundamental analysis is, up or down. If it's up, I will make the technical analysis. Is depend on the trend is up. If down, I will make the technical analysis is down. Is all depend on fundamental analysis for general trend. Okay. The second is technical analysis. I benefit from technical analysis to detect what's the point of interest? What is the point of to enter the orders? So from technical analysis, you can take the time, good time to enter the order. After that, good entry and TB and SL, stop loss. Take a profit and stop loss. You see, you know the trend, and you also you know the support and the resistance. But if the position of you is not good entry, is not good take profit and stop loss, you will lose because you don't have risk management. You should have risk management for your order or for your position. For example, you bought TB 100 bip and the stop loss 200 bip. Is wrong. You should at least 1-to-1%. Okay. And the fourth is psychological of traders. You enter the orders and everything is going good, but the market is manipulate with you. So it's go up and go down, go up and go down. So you can't control all of this. You should control on your state. Leave the market, enter the orders, make stop loss, make take a profit, and leave all phone, all device. After that, you can come and you can see the profit. So this, how can you start profit traders? After that, I finish, and thank you for all. If you have any question, I can help you. Any question? No? Okay. Thank you a lot for listening. Thank you.